Topographical surveyors play a crucial role in the development and planning of urban areas. They are responsible for conducting surveys and collecting data on the physical features of a specific location, such as the elevation, contours, and other natural and man-made features. In Sadar Bazar, one of the busiest commercial areas in Delhi, the need for topographical surveyors is even more pronounced due to the constant changes and developments taking place. Sadar Bazar is known for its vibrant markets, bustling streets, and historical landmarks. With such a diverse range of activities and structures in place, it becomes essential to have accurate and up-to-date information about the topography of the area. This is where topographical surveyors come into play. They use advanced equipment and techniques to measure and map the physical features of Sadar Bazar, providing valuable data to architects, engineers, and urban planners. The role of topographical surveyors in Sadar Bazar extends beyond just mapping the area's topography. They also play a crucial role in identifying potential risks and hazards, such as flood-prone areas or unstable slopes. This information is crucial for designing infrastructure that is both safe and sustainable. Additionally, topographical surveyors help in determining the feasibility of construction projects by assessing the suitability of the land for different purposes. The importance of topographical surveyors in Sadar Bazar cannot be understated, especially when it comes to urban planning and development. By accurately mapping the physical features of the area, they provide valuable information that aids in making informed decisions regarding land use, infrastructure development, and environmental conservation. Their expertise ensures that any future developments in Sadar Bazar are carried out with precision and efficiency. SCON Design is one of the leading firms providing topographical surveying services in Delhi. With their team of experienced professionals and state-of-the-art equipment, they offer comprehensive solutions for all topographical surveying needs in Sadar Bazar and beyond. Whether it's conducting detailed surveys for urban planning or providing 3D mapping for architectural projects, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. SCON Design understands the unique challenges posed by an area like Sadar Bazar. The team is well versed in navigating through busy streets and congested areas to gather accurate data. They are equipped with advanced technologies like LiDAR and GPS to ensure precise measurements even in challenging environments. With their expertise and attention to detail, SCON Design has become a preferred choice for topographical surveying services in Sadar Bazar. In conclusion, topographical surveyors are essential for urban planning and development in areas like Sadar Bazar. Topographical surveyors play a crucial role in urban planning and development projects. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys and mapping the physical features of a specific area. One such area that requires topographical surveyors is Sadar Bazar, a bustling market in Delhi. With its rich history and vibrant atmosphere, Sadar Bazar attracts countless visitors and businesses. To ensure the efficient planning and design of infrastructure projects in this area, topographical surveyors are needed to accurately map the existing terrain and identify any potential challenges or opportunities. Sadar Bazar, located in the heart of Delhi, is a